Hello Hungry Fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few Christmas hacks and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share, please subscribe and follow us on Instagram at @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, I'm making half the batter. So in a bowl, I added 75 grams of melted chocolate, 50 grams of caramel sauce, 25 grams of butter, 25 grams of peanut butter and mix it all together. Now I'm going to let it chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After chilling, we have to shape it like a cone. But it's so hot today. Who would believe it's almost end of December and it's that hot here? That's why the batter is sticking to my hands. I should have used gloves but dhyan nahi aaya. So you please be careful, nahi to it becomes very messy. Somehow I managed to make a cone. I'm going to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. After refrigerating, it looks decent. I placed it on a parchment paper. Now start adding Cocoa Crunch. I'm to using Kellogg's Chocos, which was my favorite cereal bachpan mein. Comment below which is your favorite cereal to eat. Arrange the Chocos close to each other in one line and continue till the top like so. At start, it kind of looks like a flower, but then it turns into a pine cone, which is so beautiful. Honestly, it needs a lot of patience and you have to be very delicate with it. If you make your cone taller, it will be easy. मैं तो थोड़ा बड़ा कर दी, तो it took me almost 25 minutes to make this pine cone. But just look at the end results. It is so pretty and looks exactly like a pine cone but with chocolate, and you can eat it, so it's amazing. The taste is also really nice. Just take one single Chocos and have it as a chip and dip with the inside chocolate cone. It will be a fun dessert to eat. I can clearly taste the caramel and the peanut butter. It's a delicious dessert to make. I actually forgot to sprinkle powdered sugar, so I did it end May, and it looks even more beautiful where the sugar represents the snow. I should have done it pehle, but it's fine. This has to be one of my favorite hacks we ever tried. So this was a big hit. For the next hack, dip a muffin in white chocolate. Place a marshmallow on one side. Place mini sugar balls as buttons on the muffin and make eyes, nose and smile on the marshmallow. I'm going to make hands as well on the muffin. Again, the chocolate was acting crazy, but it's fine, we'll manage. It was setting within minutes. It was kind of hard to decorate. Wow, but look at that. The cupcakes look so cute. I'm sorry, but they look like uncles जो पेट पकड़ के बैठे रहते हैं. They are very cute, yeah. It's such a pretty and unique decoration idea. It's very easy and taste will obviously be good. It's a muffin with white chocolate. Just bake or blowtorch the marshmallow. It will act as icing, and that would be just perfect. Love this decoration hack. You should definitely give it a try. This was a success. For the next hack, I couldn't find mini Snickers, so I'm cutting Snicker bar in half. Now instead of crackers, I'm using nice biscuit. I'm using melted white chocolate to pipe exactly how they did in the video rather than using royal icing. Place the cut Snicker on the center biscuit. Place the two biscuits like a tent and stick it together. It should look like the top part of a house. Drizzle white chocolate over it and cover it अच्छे से. Coat it from the front as well. I couldn't find the snowflake decoration candies, so I'm using the gummy bear sugar candies, which is also looking pretty. Decorate the top part as well. I use glitter sugar balls and a small piece of Snicker bar. Place an actual gummy bear in front, sprinkle edible glitter over it, and our cute looking mini house is ready. It is a great alternative for a giant gingerbread house. Not gonna lie, the gingerbread house is very hard to make. It looks very cute, it's super easy and looks like a legit house, which is great. The taste is of course nice. It's biscuit with white chocolate. It was more of a decoration hack rather than a taste thing, so this hack was a big success. For the next hack, I'm using the same brownie recipe from Eating Chocolate for 24 Hours video. Recipe link in the description box below. Cut it into a triangle, then poke a biscuit stick or any edible stick. Now pipe out whipped cream in zigzag like so. They used white color, but I'm using green color. I think that makes more sense. Then I'm going to decorate it with star candies, hard candies and few sugar balls. I'm also going to sprinkle edible glitter over it. Looks very pretty as well. It's a nice way to make a normal brownie fancy. It's super simple and requires hardly any ingredients. The taste will obviously depend on the brownie you use, but ours is really tasty, so this hack was a success. For the next hack, poke any edible stick through 3 pieces of marshmallows. I couldn't find the pretzel sticks they used in the video, so I'm using this biscuit stick. It's a bit thick, but it's fine. Add a small biscuit stick for legs and 2 mini sticks for both the hands on each side. Using a brush and dark chocolate, paint eyes and buttons on the marshmallows. Stick a sugar candy as nose as well. Make a smiling face and your snowman is ready for a bath. As I said, it's cold now. The chocolate was setting within few minutes, so it was a bit hard to decorate the marshmallows. It looks almost perfect and very similar to their video. For some reason, rather than a snowman, it's looking more of a snow girl to me with a mini skirt, which is also cute. In the mug, I'm adding hot chocolate. Recipe link is in the description box below, so give it a try. It's very delicious. Add a cute snowman, or rather the snow girl, in hot chocolate. Let me know what you think our marshmallow looks like, a snowman or a snow girl. Now just look at that. It looks super cute. Mast hot pool में chill कर रहा है snowman ऐसे लग रहा है. The marshmallow also has started melting now. Of course, it tastes amazing. The cute snowman is looking creepy now once it starts melting. From Christmas, it turned into Halloween within minutes. For the next hack, in a shot glass, add few candies to balance the cone. Carefully place an ice cream cone over it. Add gems inside the cone as well. Apply melted dark chocolate on the edges. The melted dark chocolate is going to stick the biscuit and the cone together. Place any cream biscuit over it. I used milk bikis. I know it looks creepy, but कोई और round cream biscuit मिल ही नहीं रहा था. Now let it set for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep it upside down over a grill. Pour melted dark chocolate over the cone and cover it completely. The process looks very satisfying. I just can't stop looking at it. Once excess chocolate drips down, add sprinkles all over the cone. You can use any color you like. Place a candy star on the tip and let the chocolate set on room temperature. Okay, it's not setting at all, so I refrigerated it for about half an hour. Let's break and see. Wow, that's a fun treat to break. The kids will love it. Just I feel green color chocolate hona chahiye tha so that it would make more sense and give a Christmas tree vibe, but that's fine. The cone tastes really nice with gems and chocolate. I don't know what can go wrong with that. As mentioned earlier, since it's hot, the chocolate was melting very fast. That's why the chocolate was sticking on my hands, but the hack works. Looks nice, tastes nice, so it was a success. Wow, after so long, all the hacks we tried were successful. So you have to give it a try and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Mattia Naveed, Shreya R. Shetty and Olivia. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.